Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.